Hey everyone! So today I want to talk to you about something that I am totally obsessed with. I know I'm not the only one, and I'm sure there are tons of you out there who love this stuff too, but it is dry shampoo. Dry shampoo honestly is a lifesaver for me. My hair being dyed red, I try not to wash it too often, so I usually go 4 or 5 days if I can without washing it. Just helps the color last a little bit longer because the red does fade pretty quickly. So dry shampoo has been a big help for me when it comes to not having to shower or wash my hair every day. I still shower, I just don't wash my hair every day, I swear. Now I know that dry shampoo has gained a ton of popularity in the last few years. Like, so many brands have been coming out with their own versions. There are so many different types you can choose from. There are even dry conditioners now to add a little bit more freshness to the ends of your hair. Girls use it, guys use it. I've heard of my boyfriend's friends using it. So I know that there are a ton of you out there. Now I know we all have those days where we're feeling lazy or we're running late or you just don't care enough to wash your hair. And that's why dry shampoo is so fantastic. I personally find that washing and drying and styling my hair takes so much time, and I quite frankly don't want to deal with it that often. I also find that sometimes, my curl will last a long while. It'll last a few days and I don't want to style it and restyle it, and I'm also dealing with heat damage. I don't want to do that either. So I think you can understand why dry shampoo is one of my best friends. Now, since I am clearly a dry shampoo expert, I'm not. I just wanted to share what I personally think is the best way to get the most out of your dry shampoo. I know a lot of people kind of spray it on, brush it through, and run out the door, but you're not gonna get the best use out of it. So for me, it's all about how you apply and taking time to let it do its magic. My personal way to do it is applying before bed. I like to put it on before bed, just spray it through, don't do anything, go to sleep, and then when you wake up in the morning, I can brush my hair through. It's fresh, it feels light, it feels clean. If you spray it on before you do your makeup or before you get ready, before you have your breakfast, and then brush it through after, you're gonna really notice a big difference. Now, as I was saying, another important thing is how you actually apply the dry shampoo. You wanna make sure you get it on your roots and kind of end up covering your whole head. So what I like to do is apply it in sections, kind of pull a chunk of hair over, spray it on, and work it through, like this. Now give it some time to sit and to work in, and just wait till you see when you brush it out. Now once you've let it sit for a while, you've taken your time, had some patience, it's time to rush it through. You'll notice once you've done that your hair feels a lot cleaner, your roots look a lot cleaner, and you've got a lot more volume, which is also something that's awesome for fine-haired girls like me who want to get a little bit more volume in their regular hairstyle. It doesn't matter if your hair is clean or dirty or what. Dry shampoo works great for giving some volume. But yeah, it feels awesome, and I am ready to go have dinner at my boyfriend's parents' for his birthday. I didn't want to wash my hair. All right, until next time, I will catch you later. Take a look down in the section below because I will share some of my favorite dry shampoos. Let me know what you want to see more of in the future, and I'll catch you later.